So direct to cell frequently asked questions. Okay? So for now, the Starlink direct to cell is exclusive with Globe Telecom. So, do I need a new phone or SIM card to use this? No. Any standard LTE capable phone will work. No special hardware. No new apps. So, yun. During the pilot daw, confirm yan. Na-test kasi nila ito sa Rizal, Batangas, and Bataan. Okay? So, good. So, kailan ba yung nag-pilot testing sila? Last March, nag-pilot testing sila. Then, commercial rollout is still regulatory approved. So, stay tuned lang tayo sa mga Globe official statements. Okay? How much will it cost? Wala pa silang sinasabi. Satellite needs ano, yun nga, hindi pa talaga sila na pricing. So, more of a add-on ito, not automatically included sa regular plan. Okay? So, good na good yan kasi expected mura daw eh. So, exciting talaga itong Starlink direct-to-cell connectivity. Then, magagamit ba ito inside sa house? No. Satellite needs clear connectivity from cellphone papunta sa sky. So, inside your house, merong obstruction yung bubong. Then, ano talaga? Syempre, hindi na. Aside sa bubong, kung cloudy yung sky, medyo kailangan nyo rin ng mag-improve. So, step outside talaga para magamit yung connectivity. So, eto ba yung magre-replace ng mga cell site tower sa globe? I mean, no, hindi. Kasi, ano lang to, complement sa mga walang signal talaga na area. Kasi, mas mabilis pa rin yung mga regular tower natin on the grounds. Kasi, regular mobile data yung gagamitin. Ibang technology yung satellite kumpara dito sa 5G. So, ano pa, nasa baby's birth pa yung satellite technology na direct. So, mas reliable pa rin yung mobile data natin sa regular towers sa baba. So, saan ba ito i-deploy? Sa remote areas na wala talagang tower. Then, disaster situation. Pag, for example, yung Yolanda, di ba? Nawalan ng signal yung buong Tacloban kasi nga nawalan ng tower, nawala ng power. So, hindi nakapag-communicate yung mga waray palabas. Kaya, yun yung challenge during the rescue. Then, kasama pa rin ito sa maritime coverage. Ano ba yung maritime coverage? Yung mangingisda. So, pwede ka nang magdala ng cellphone sa gitna. Then, pwede ka nang mag-send ng text and SMS. Alright? So, makapag-watch ka ba ng YouTube and play online games? For now, no. Because the main focus dito is just the SMS and call and basic data for messaging apps like WhatsApp. Yan. Video calls are possible but maybe on low quality. So, yun yung ngayon, low speed data lang muna. Pero for future, baka meron na dun. So, kaya yun. Special phones, any LTE phone. Yan. Kaso nga, kailangan mo lang ng subscription to. For the pricing, wala pa tayong dyan. So, for now, exclusive lang to kay Globe Telecom, yung partnership ni Starlink. So, DICT. So, yun. Meron pa siyang exclusivity. So, yun yung kaganahan. Kaya, magkuha na kayo ng Globe SIM LTE para ready na kayo sa direct-to-cell internet. Alright. So, for now, that's it. So, meron pa kayong mga katanungan. So, let's continue to watch out and the further announcement about this. Exciting talaga yung technology nito. Huwag kayong mag-alala, yung mga nakapiso Wi-Fi, yung mga ISP, mabilis pa rin yung data nyo. Yung sinosolve lang dito sa Starlink Direct Connectivity is the coverage itself. Okay? So, emergency purpose, SMS, call. So, kaya, yun yung pinaka-importante natin. Makakapag-communicate tayo na remote or during disaster. Alright? So, at least, kampante pa rin na this solves the no signal issue. Alright? So, yun. Salamat and see you around.